A very good evening to all of you friends. On behalf of the entire team at Gradeup, I welcome each and every one of you for today's live session. Today I am going to discuss with you friends certain important legal aptitude question for SLAT 2021. A very good evening to all of you. So friends, today we are back with another very important session on legal aptitude. Today I'm going to discuss with you certain important legal aptitude questions which will be very important for each and every one of you who is preparing for SLAT 2021. And what is SLAT 2021? Symbiosis Law Admission Test. So those of you who are planning to get into either of the campuses of Symbiosis Law School in the year 2021, Gradeup brings to you this important series of classes wherein we are going to discuss with you in detail some of the important legal aptitude question. So a very good evening to each and every one of you out there watching me live from across India. So friends, as you are aware that this particular entrance examination asks you a mixed bag question. And what I understand by mixed bag question is they ask you legal reasoning question, that is principle and fact-based question. There will also be legal knowledge questions. So in this particular entrance examination, there will be two types of question which a student will be faced with. First is your legal reasoning question. Now this legal reasoning, I mean principle and fact-based question. And the second type of question would be your legal knowledge question. So a very warm welcome to all of you. A very good evening to all of you. Today, I'm going to start discussing with you some of the most important questions. But before that, let's see what Gradeup offers to each and every law aspirants for the year 2021, 2022 and 2023. Gradeup brings to you a comprehensive course for CLAT 2022. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2022, here is a very special course that Gradeup brings to you for CLAT 2022. Remember that this course will be a 1-year course. For the year 2021, Gradeup brings to you a number of 1-month courses. For example, you have a rapid revision course for CLAT 2021. We also bring to you a master legal reasoning in 30 days. And for growing your general knowledge, for the growth of your aptitude, we bring to you a mega booster general knowledge revision course. So these are the 3 courses that Gradeup brings to you for CLAT 2021 aspirants. Gradeup further brings to you a crash course for those of you who are preparing for BHU, BLET and Jamia LLB 2021. So those of you who are preparing for Jamia Millia Islamia's LLB entrance examination, as well as Benares Hindu University's BLET examination for 2021, Gradeup brings to you this very, very important course. Gradeup also brings to you a two-year program for CLAT 2023. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, we bring to you a very important comprehensive course along with foundation module. Along with your foundation, we are going to build your foundation along with your preparation for CLAT 2023. So for those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, here is a great chance for you to get your dream come true. So friends, with this, let's start with today's class. Here is the principle. Read the principle very carefully. And in the next slide, I'm going to show you the question. You have to read the question and give me the correct answer. Article 15, subclause 1 of the Constitution categorically states that the state shall not discriminate a person, a citizen, on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. But the state can make special provision. Very, very important. State can make special provision for providing benefits to their residents. Generally, the law says that the state shall not discriminate a person on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth. But state can make special provision, for providing benefits to their residents. Here is the fact for you. Read the facts and tell me what is the correct answer. So for non-resident, there is a separate rule. For residents, there is a separate rule. So if you are a resident of Rajasthan, you do not have to pay capitation fee. But if you are a non-resident of Rajasthan, you have to pay a capitation fee of 35,000. Now here is a man, Rakesh Sundaram, who is from Kerala. He is not born in Rajasthan. Now for him, he has to pay that 35,000 rupees extra in comparison to someone who is from Rajasthan. He challenges that law under Article 15. which of the following is the correct answer? Is the rule valid or is the rule not valid? If you turn to the principle, it says the state can make special provision. The state can make special provision. Very, very important. The state can make special provision for providing benefits to its resident. So the correct answer is option C, because the state is empowered to make special provision for its residents. So the correct answer is option C. Am I clear to each and every one of you? So guys, please share this session with your friends who all are preparing for SLAT 2021. Question number 2 is up there on your screen. Okay, I'm sure that by now you understood the facts and the principles given in this particular slide, right? Let us see which of the following is the correct answer. Does this amount to impartiality on the part of Mihir? So, yes. So what is the correct answer to this particular question? Tell me. The correct answer, yes, Shraddha Srivastav has given the answer B. Okay, Vivek Gond says B. What about the rest? What about the rest? Okay, so the correct answer in this particular question is option B. Mihir, being under the impression that Bikram would not have inquired about his antecedents and therefore did not feel the necessity to disclose the same. It's very simple. Okay. Moving on to question number 3. I think The question is very, very easy. The question is very, very easy. The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option D. Hyderabad, Delhi or Kolkata. X is a resident of Kolkata doing business in Delhi beats up Y, a resident of Bangalore in Hyderabad. So the cause of action has taken in Hyderabad, doing business in Delhi. He is from Kolkata. Am I clear? Okay. Let's go to question number 4. The principle says a suit for compensation for wrong done to the people or to any movable property belongs to such person may be filed either in the court having territorial jurisdiction over the area where the wrong is committed. So the court having territorial jurisdiction over the area where the wrong has been committed, or where the defendant resides or carries his business or personally works for gain. Abhay, a resident of Bombay, he travels to Delhi for a vacation and gets a brawl there. While various parties are exchanging blows, Abhay ends up hitting Prerna to such an extent that Prerna needs to be admitted in a hospital. Prerna resides in the neighboring state of Haryana at Noida. So, where will Prerna can file the case? Can you tell me which of the following is correct? Okay. Abhay resides in Bombay. He travels to Delhi for a vacation and get a brawl. With various parties and exchange blows, Abhay ends up hitting Prerna to the extent that Prerna needs to be admitted in a hospital. Prerna resides in the neighboring state of Haryana in Noida. Okay. So which is the correct answer? Let's see the principle. Court having territorial jurisdiction over the area where the wrong was committed. Where was the wrong committed? Delhi. Or where the defendant resides. Bombay. Am I clear? Please look at this. Please look at this. So the correct answer to this particular question is what? Can you tell me? Let me tell you this. If you read the principle very carefully, it talks about the defendant and not the plaintiff. So the correct answer is none of the above. None of the above. See, I can understand. Read the principle very carefully. A suit for compensation for wrong done to the person or to any movable property belonging to such person may be filed either in a court having territorial jurisdiction over the area where the wrong was committed. So you can file a case in Delhi. Am I clear? Now, if you read, none of the answers is absolutely correct. Yes, A is also correct. B is also correct. Now Now, in such a situation, there is no answer which is the best answer. The best answer would be Delhi, Noida. Am I clear? And Bombay. Did you understand Saif Khan? I thought it is the defendant. No, it's a plaintiff. Am I clear? Is that clear? So the correct answer to this particular question is option D. Question number 5. A makes an offer to B, B accepts it and sends his acceptance through his servant, who does not take the acceptance letter to A. So, is the acceptance complete? So, A never received the acceptance, so he is not obliged to pay. Am I clear? This is very, very simple. This is very, very simple. Now, you are sending your acceptance, but the person who is to deliver that acceptance does not take it to the person. Is it a valid contract? The answer is no. The answer is no. Am I clear? Let's read question number 6. Free consent is essential to the formation of a contract. Consent to a contract caused due to coercion is not free consent. Coercion is committing or threatening. Very, very important. Coercion is committing or threatening to commit an act which is forbidden under the Indian Penal Code. Amit asked Sneha to sell his land for 15 lakhs, which was way below the market price. He threatens her if he does not accept this, he would get her abducted. Sneha got scared and entered into a sale agreement for selling his property. Is it a valid contract? The answer is no, it is not a valid contract. Option A is the right answer. It is not a valid contract because you are threatening someone that if you do not sell your property for 15 lakhs, I am going to abduct you. That is not called free consent. Is that clear? Question number 7. Okay, I hope that you guys have read this particular principle. It talks about defamation. If you are lowering someone's reputation in the eyes of the right thinking people of the society, then you have said to have committed defamation. and publication of that information is very, very important. Let's read the question. Okay. So which of the following is the correct answer? Tell me, which of the following is the correct answer? Okay. The correct answer is, now if you read the question, it says a person is said to defame another when he injures the reputation in the eyes of the right thinking members of the society. Liability of the person who repeats a defamatory matter arises in the same way as the originator, because every repetition is a fresh publication, giving rise to a fresh cause of action. People who disseminates the defamatory matter are equally liable unless they did not know, or in spite of reasonable diligence they could not have known what they were circulating was defamatory. Now this is very, very important. Unless they know, or in spite of reasonable diligence could not have known that what they were circulating was defamatory. So tell me the correct answer to this question. The correct answer to this question is Pamela will not be liable because she did not know that the piece of information was false. Only Michael Colt will be liable for defamation, as he was the originator of the letter which spoiled Dwight's image in the minds of the right thinking people. So the correct answer is option D. Both A and B. Is that clear? Question number 8. Only for a violation of your legal right you can sue someone in a court of law. So if someone has violated your legal right, if your legal right is violated, you can sue a person in a court of law. Am I clear? Now here, Satish, a polling booth officer, denies Manish the right to vote, although he was an eligible candidate. So if a person has a right to vote, he is denied his right to vote. That means he has suffered a legal injury. His right has been violated. So the correct answer is Manish can sue Satish as his legal right has been violated. Am I clear to each and every one of you? Okay. Question number 9. If you have voluntarily taken up a risk, you know the risk involved in a particular activity, and even then you take up the risk. You buy a ticket for watching IPL match. Sachin hits a six. You very well know that the ball can come to the gallery and it injures you. Can you claim compensation? The answer is no. Because this is a case of voluntary non-fate injuria. Am I clear? He cannot be compensated because he has voluntarily bought that ticket of IPL match. Is that clear? All of you. Very good. Question number 10. And these questions should not take more than 5 seconds for you. In Shah Banu's case, Muhammad Ahmed Khan versus Shah Banu relates to maintenance of a divorced woman. The maintenance money that the husband has to pay to the divorced woman under Muslim law. Question number 11. The Supreme Court of India recently decriminalized adultery, in which case? And the correct answer is? And the correct answer is what? Is it Navtej Singh Johar? Is it Minerva Mills? Is it Indian Young Lawyers Association versus State of Kerala? Or is it Joseph Shine versus Union of India? The correct answer is option D. It is Joseph Shine versus Union of India. Is that clear? All of you. Question number 12. Which of the following is a non-compoundable offense in India? Which of the following is a non-compoundable offense in India? Please tell me the correct answer. Is it criminal trespass? Is it mischief? Is it defamation? Or is it sedition? The correct answer, my dear friend, is sedition. It is a non-compoundable offense. Sedition. Am I clear? Okay. Question number 13. The Sati system, which prevailed in ancient times, was abolished by the Bengal Sati Regulation of 1829. The question is, which British Governor General passed it in India? And the correct answer is, whether it is Warren Hastings, whether it is William Bentinck, whether it is Lord Canning, or whether it is C. Rajagopalachari. The correct answer is Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck was the British Governor General when the Bengal Sati Regulation of 1829 came to be passed. Okay? Very, very important. Very, very important. So guys, if you are liking today's class, do press on the like button, do subscribe to our channel, and definitely do not forget to share this video with your friends who all are preparing for CLAT, ELIT, SLAT, and other host of examination. Is that clear to all of you guys? Is that clear? Okay, fantastic. So moving on to question number 14. Now, you have in India something called intellectual property rights. So software is protected as a patent, as a trademark, or as a copyright. Software in India is protected as a copyright. You have a copyright, okay? You have something like this written 2021. Artistic work in your textbook. Something is written like C 2020, 2019, 2021. That is called your copyright symbol. Okay. Moving on to question number 15. Which of the following factor separate robbery from dacoity? Is it time, is it place, is it property, or is it the number of people involved in the crime? Or is it the number of people who are involved in the crime? The correct answer is the number of people involved in the crime. D is the correct answer. The difference between robbery and dacoity. Okay? Very good. So guys, if you are liking today's session, if you have liked today's session, do press the like button. I don't see too many people pressing the like button. Okay? So I want each and every one of you to press the like button so that we get some inspiration at our end. Okay? Very good, very good, very good. So friends, today we did discuss around 15 important questions for SLAT 2021. Now friends, a lot of you are asking me, sir, are you still continuing with daily legal affairs? Yes, we have started. We conduct daily these classes on our app. So download the Gradeup app and join the classes free on our app. It is not possible every day to conduct so many classes in our YouTube. So we are using our app to conduct these free classes. Okay, so definitely join me at 8 o'clock. Join me at 8 o'clock with the daily legal affairs on our app. Those of you who haven't downloaded our Gradeup app, requesting you to download our Gradeup app. Okay. So I'm sure that you must have met all our faculties by now. The legal reasoning faculties, English faculties, critical reasoning faculties, GK and current affairs faculties, and our quant faculties by now. Right? So these people will be helping you out in your preparation for CLAT 2021, SLAT 2021, ALET 2021, MHCT 2021, and others. So friends, Gradeup brings to you a fantastic offer, a flat 50% discount on your Gradeup super subscription for CLAT 2021, a 30-day course. For any course related query, you can call us at 96500-52904 as well as 880613041. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you. Hope to see you at 8 o'clock on our app. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. See you at 8 on our app with daily legal affairs. Bye.